How to customize BPI transaction limits.
First, log into your BPI account. Then, click Settings on the upper right corner. In the General Settings window, scroll down and look for Manage Favorites under Transactions. As you can see in Transaction Limits window, my existing limit is now at 210,000, so I only have remaining 40,000 to spend to reach the allowed limit. So I will not wait to reach the total limit before customizing it. So to change the transaction limits, click the Customize Limits button. In this page, you can customize the limits of your transaction based on your desired amount. You can increase the limit by tapping the plus sign and decrease it by tapping minus sign. For regular clients, you can set your transaction limit to 250,000 per day and 500,000 per day for preferred and private banking clients. In my case, I will change the send money to any BPI account only from 50,000 to 90,000. You can zero out the other options here if you are not using that feature or haven't used it yet, and then transfer the amount to the most used transaction, setting it to 0 as possible, as long as the minimum limit you assigned is not less than the amount you've already transacted for the day. Know that the transactions will refresh daily at 10 p.m., so there's nothing to be worried about. So I am going to have a little adjustments here. I will adjust the send money to any BPI account limit from 90,000 to 80,000, so I can increase my pay via QR to 30,000 from 20,000. For one last time, double check all your changes here or finalize everything before saving it. Once you're done with customizing the transaction limits, go ahead to press the Save button below. Input your mobile key here to authenticate your changes or transaction.
You're done. Your changes has been successfully saved. Subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching. Till next time.